Hello, I have a new unboxing video. Tadaan! So I got the Monsters Wacky Mart. So last Friday lang siya lumabas. And ayan yung box na. Ito. Let me show you kung ano yung meron. So you have 12 designs with one secret. Based sa post online, di ko bet yung secret. Para siyang oven na umiilaw. Although the rest of the figures, maganda siya. I like everything. So, let's see kung ano yung makukuha natin. So, this is the box. Yeah, boo-boo. Medyo mabigat siya. So, yeah, let's open. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Marunong mag-open. Uy, sisira na yung box. Yan. Ano ba ito? Ay, nasira na yung box. Yeah. Okay. Ooh. Oh. What could it be? So, let's open. Parang alam ko na kung ano siya. 1, 2, 3. I got the salad. Ew. How cute. Let's put the cover. No, it's super cute. So nice. The monsters. Okay. Siya yung salad. I love it. So let's check the card. Yung cute. It's a cashew seed. Tapos the Monsters Wacky Mart. Then salad. This is the back of the card. It's super cute. Dapat dinamihan ko pa yung binili ko. Anyway, that's it. Bye-bye.